Morning children. Today we can complete exercise 3.4. We have only 3 problems. Third problem we'll see it here. Obtain all other zeros of polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So polynomial is given as 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. In this are 2 zeros given. Root 5 by 3 is 1 0 minus root 5 by 3 is another 0. First the degree of this polynomial is what here? 4. By seeing the degree is 4, how many zeros will you will get it? 4 zeros will get it. So what he is asking is 2 zeros he given, remaining 2 zeros you have to find it. In a 4th degree polynomial, in question they given 2 zeros and he is asking to calculate or find out remaining zeros. Okay. Now what you have to do is, according to problem, so this is x is equal to root 5 by 3 means x minus root 5 by 3 is a factor, and also x is equals to minus root 5 by 3 means x plus root 5 by 3 is another factor. Being x is variable here, 2 factors we got it. What is one is x minus root 5 by 3, x plus root 5 by 3. So if 2 is a factor of 16, 2 is a factor of 16, 2 is a factor of 12, let it be. 3 is a factor of 12. 3 is a factor of 12. Multiplication of these two, 2 3s are how much here? Is also a factor of same 12. Two different prime numbers are factors of this one means their product is also a factor. 2 into 3. 2, 3. Individually if they are factor of same number, if these two are primes, 2 into 3 is also a factor. Same like that. This is a factor, this is a factor of same polynomial. So what you can write? Its product is also a factor of p of x. Means here you have to write x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3 is a factor of p of x. Is a factor of p of x. A plus b into a minus b formula is x square minus root 5 by 3 whole square. Square root cancel. Is a factor of p of x. So this is a factor, this is a factor. Multiplication is also a factor. X square minus 5 by 3 is a factor. Now x square minus 5 by 3 is a factor of this polynomial means if you do division, whatever the quotient is there, that you have to solve that one to get remaining other 2 factors. Now what you have to do is, you should divide 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. The center you have to divide with x square minus 5 by 3. Okay, this division is somewhat difficult. See once, I'll write here. Same division I'll copy here. That is here 3x power 4 plus 6x cube 2x square minus 10x minus 5, and here it is x square minus 5 by 3. So x square is there, here 3x power 4 is there. You have to write 3x square. So 3x power 4 will come. these two you should multiply. Minus 5 by 3 into 3x square. So minus 5x square will come. See, I am not writing below x cube term because if you multiply these two, you will get x square only or not. So I am writing below x square only. Symbols change it, cancel it. This as it is with symbol copy. These two if you are adding up, plus 3x square minus 10x I am taking down. This minus 10x I took down. Okay. Now x square is there, 6x cube is there. You have to write 6x. Should write 6x. So you are getting 6x cube here normally. And if you multiply minus 5 by 3 with 6x, you are getting minus 10x. Minus plus. These two will be cancelled, these two will be cancelled. What is remained here? 3x square is remained, minus 5 is remained. And if you multiply x square with 3, you are getting 3x square. Minus 5 by 3 with 3 also you are getting minus 5 only. Minus plus. These two will be cancelled, these two will be cancelled. How much you got remainder? 0. So what is the quotient? What is the quotient means? This 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 we can write it as x square minus 5 by 3 into 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So its factors already written. X plus root 5 by 3 is 1, x minus root 5 by 3 is 1. Okay, this what you have to do? We have to factorize this one. We should factorize 3x square plus 6x plus 3. How to do factorization? Already you know about it. We'll see 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Okay, you can take 3 as common. X square plus 2x plus 1. This is nothing but x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square means x plus 1 into x plus 1. So x plus 1 is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor. You can write this one as 3x plus 3 is a factor. Multiply with 3 here. 3x plus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0 if you keep it. 3x plus 3 is a factor is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 by 3. X is equal to 1. Minus 1. Here also x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1. The other two factors are what here? X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. Factors if he is asking, you can write x plus 1, 3x plus 3. Or you can write x plus 1. Okay. Next, which question? Fourth question. What is fourth question said? On dividing one polynomial by g of x, the quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So here one polynomial p of x, we are dividing with what? And dividing this by polynomial g of x. We are dividing with g of x. So the quotient is x minus 2. Remainder is how much? Minus 2x plus 4. Then what he is asking is, you should find out this g of x value he is asking. This polynomial you have to find it. Now, division rule. That is, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula. Now in place of p of x, they given in the question p of x, how much they given here? x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 they given. It is p of x. G of x we have to find, we don't know. Into x minus 2, okay, plus multiplied minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so what you are doing is this plus 4 you are taking to this side. This plus 4 you are taking to this side. Then how much you are getting? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 4 if it is coming here minus 4 minus 2x if it is coming here plus 2x is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Okay, now if you simplify, how much you are getting? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x means you are getting plus 3x plus 2 minus 4 means minus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2. If I made g of x as subject, this x minus 2 is multiplying to g of x or not? So x minus 2 will divide. So g of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 enter divided by x minus 2. So division we can't do like this. Again we have to go normal division. How we should divide is, numerator is nothing but dividend, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 and divisor is x minus 2. X how many times will go? X square times x cube minus 2x square minus plus cancelled x square plus 3x, x times will go x square minus 2x. So you are getting 5x minus 2, 5 times. 5 times means again 5x minus 10, 8. What you got reminder? 8. Somewhere else mistake maybe. So here it is minus 6 square. It is minus 6 square. So what you have to do is here x into minus 6 will come here. Minus 6 square minus 2 into minus 6 is plus 2x plus minus, this 2 will be cancelled, x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2 again one time will go plus 1 x minus 2, remainder you got as 0. So here what is g of x means, if you divide the quotient is g of x. G of x is how much here? G of x is x square minus x plus 1. Okay. Next, the last problem, this you should do with your own. Okay. So what he is saying is, degree of p of x, degree of q of x should be equal. Like that you have to give examples for p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x. So this we will see it. This is p of x. This is p of x. This is g of x. This is q of x. This is r of x. Only constant is that the degree is 0. Here the degree is 2. Here the degree is 3. Here the degree is 1. So like that you have to give some examples. Okay. So here what first question is, degree of p of x and q of x must be equal. So here 3x square plus 3x plus 3 is there. It is 1 p of x. So g of x you are writing only 3. If I do division, x square so p of x degree is how much here? 2. Q of x degree is how much? 2 only. So p of x degree, q of x degree. are equal or not. So like that, by doing division you have to say that examples. G of x example is 3, R of x is 0, P of x is this one, Q of x is that one. Like that you have to find out P of x, G of x, Q of x and R of x. You should do divisions and you have to write your answers. In next class we will start another chapter.